This video is about adding a course after receiving a waitlist notification. When you receive the notification email, open Path, select the login icon in the upper right corner, and log in with your William & Mary credentials. When you are offered a space in the course from the waitlist, you will receive an email at your William & Mary email account. Make sure to note when the waitlist offer expires. Log into Path and open your primary cart. The waitlisted course displays in your cart with an hourglass icon. Select the Submit Schedule and Submit Registration buttons to fully register for the course. If successful, Path will display a message indicating that the course has been modified. The course displays with a black check mark in your primary cart. The registration notes for the course indicate you are registered for the section. If unsuccessful, Path will display a message indicating why you could not be registered for the course. Review your cart for any errors like missing co-requisites, time conflicts, or duplicate courses. You have the length of the notification window to resolve issues and fully register for the course. You must take action in Path to register when offered a space from the waitlist. You will not be automatically registered. Notifications are sent to your William & Mary email address. Check your email account at least daily. Notification windows cannot be extended. If you do not register for the course by the time your window expires, you will be removed from the waitlist and the space will be offered to the next student in line. Some restrictions are not enforced when you waitlist a course, but all restrictions will be enforced when you're fully registering for a course. As a courtesy to other students, remove yourself from any waitlists you are no longer interested in. Registration holds will prevent you from being able to respond to a waitlist notification and add the course. Resolve any registration holds immediately. If you have questions, undergraduate students may contact the University Registrar's Office. Graduate students may contact their graduate registrar's office.